channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your quantitative aptitude class, and this is your class 35. As you know that we had done your 34th classes in the last classes that we had discussed here, where we had completed your arithmetical ability, and that is we had started with where we had completed in arithmetical ability is your operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, and decimal fraction simplification. This is the fifth topic that we had covering up is your square roots and cube roots. In this class only we had completed 113th question of the session in the last classes, and in today's class we'll start discussing about 114th of the questions here, and that is also an important one. So the question for the first session we have that before starting with this, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. The question we have, the least number of 4 digit which is a perfect square is, the options we have 1000, 1016, 1024 and 1036. Let's go ahead. The least number of 4 digit which is a perfect square is we have to talk about it, and the options as I told you 1000, 1016, 1024 and 1036, and for that we have to go ahead for the solution for this as well, and that also plays an important role, and that even though we have to find it out as well. So for that we will be going ahead. Least number of 4 digit least number of 4 digit is 1000. So for that we have here, and we'll find it out for that as well. 1000, we just pair it out. So here that is 3 3s are 9, then it is your 1, will take 0 more, then of course it is 3, that 3 plus 3 is your 6, and plus we have taken 1, so 1 or 6, 61, so we'll take will be 61, 100 with 61 get that will find out as 39. So here the least number which we are finding it out is 31 square is less than 1000, less than 32 square. So hence required number is equals to 32 ka square, that is equals to 1024. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll find it out with the next question that we have to go ahead, and which is another question, and that is important because this has been asked in SSC examination paper. So for that 115th question of the sessions we have, the question is the least number that is the given is under root 5 is 2.2361, under root 3 is 1.7321, then you have to find out 1 upon under root 5 minus under root 3, that is equals to, and this has been asked in your SSC examination paper. Options we have 1.98, 1.984, 1.9841 and 2. Let's go ahead. Given under root 5 equals to 2.2361, under root 3 equals to 1.7321, then 1 upon under root 5 minus under root 3 is equal to, this has been the question asked in your SSC examination paper, and as I told you the options as well, that is 1.98, 1.984, 1.9841 and 2 here, and for the same cases we have to go ahead, and even though which we have to find out. Let's go ahead for that solution for this. 1 upon under root 5 minus under root 3 equals to 1 upon under root 5 minus under root 3 into under root 5 plus under root 3 upon under root 5 plus under root 3. We had multiplied with a different sign which we have as a denominator. To remove the under root here, we'll get under root 5 plus under root 3 upon 5 minus 3. 5 under root 5 is 5, under root 3 is under root 3, plus minus is minus. So that is your, we have 5 minus 3. When we pin the value of under root 5 dot, even though they had an imaginary u, that is 2.2361 plus, then for under root 3 we have is your 1.7321 upon 5 minus 3 is 2. So for when we will adding it out, it will be 3.9682 upon 2, and we'll get 1.9841 here. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question, and that we have to talk about it, and which is your the another one is your 116th question of the sessions as well. The question is 1 upon under root 9 minus under root 8 minus 1 upon under root 8 minus 7 plus 1 upon under root 7 minus under root 6, 1 upon 6 under root 6 minus under root 5, under root 5 minus under root 4, that is equals to, options for this we have is 0, 1 by 3, 1 and 5, that we will find it out. 1 upon under root 9 minus under root 8 minus 1 upon under root 8 minus under root 7 minus 1 upon under root 7 minus under root 6 minus 1 upon under root 6 minus under root 5 minus 1 upon under root 5 minus under root 4. That is equals to, we have to find out. For the options we have here is your, that is 0, 1 by 3, 1 and 5 here. So that we'll have to find it out. And for that solution we have, for the given expression is 1 upon 9 under root 9 minus under root 8 into, we'll just multiply with a different sign, under root 9 plus under root 8 upon under root 9 plus under root 8 equals minus 1 upon under root 8 minus under root 7. So we'll just multiply with a different sign for that as well, which is under root 8 plus under root 7 upon under root 8 plus under root 7, then again plus 1 upon 7 under root 7 minus under root 6 multiplied by under root 7 plus under root 6 under root 7 plus under root 6, that is we have then minus 1 upon under root 6 minus under root 5 into under root 6 plus under root 5 under root 6 plus under root 5 plus 1 upon under root 5 minus under root 4. Then we have your into under root 5 plus under root 4 under root 5 plus under root 4, that we have here. So further when we'll solve it out, when we'll remove here under root 9 and under root 8 we'll get, and that is being solve it out, and we'll get 9 minus 8. So we'll, for that we'll do it under root 9 plus under root 8 upon 9 minus 8 minus under root 8 plus under root 7 upon 8 minus 7 plus under root 7 plus under root 6 upon 7 minus 6 minus under root 6 plus under root 5 upon 6 minus 5 plus under root 5 plus under root 4 upon 5 minus 4. That we have to talk about it. So 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 5 minus 4 is also 1. So on the same behalf of it, we'll go ahead further, and that we have to talk about it. Plus under root 8, under root 8 plus under root 7 plus under root 7 plus under root 6 minus under root 6 plus under root 5 plus under root 5 plus under root 4. So what we'll get here is your under root 9 plus under root 4, because if you can see here that this is plus and this is minus, the 8 will be cancelled out. This is plus and this is here plus, here plus, this is minus, plus minus, and this is plus here. For the 6 plus and minus, that will cancel it out, plus, and this is your plus. So with be having, and when we'll multiply it down, those, that is the 4 here itself remaining and the 9 is itself remaining, and all are cancelling it out here. So we'll under root 9 plus under root 4, and under root 9 जो है वो 3 का square root है, so it is 3, and this is 4 is also about that is we have your 2. So on the same cases 3 plus 2 and 3 plus 2 very well, that is your 5. So we will get 5 here as an answer. Now we'll go ahead further, which we'll talk about it, which is another new question, and that is your 117th question of the sessions as well, and that is also an important one. So yes, we'll go ahead. So for that, the question is 2 plus under root 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus under root 2 plus 1 upon under root 2 minus 2 simplifies to. This has been asked in your SSC examination paper as well, and that is also an important paper respect towards competition wise. If I am going ahead here, the options for this is 2 minus under root 2, 2 plus under root 2, 2 under root 2 here. So for that we'll go ahead, and that is also an important one. For the given expression, we have 2 plus under root 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus under root 2 into 2 minus under root 2 upon 2 minus under root 2, that is minus 1 upon 2 minus under root 2 into 2 plus under root 2 upon 2 plus under root 2. Then we have a plus here, that is that is will equal to sign, that is 2 plus under root 2 plus 2 minus under root 2 upon 4 minus 2 minus 2 plus under root 2 upon 4 minus 2, and that is equals to 2 plus under root 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 minus under root 2, and further we'll open it out. What we'll get is 1 by 2, 2 plus under root 2, and when we'll open it out and further we'll solve it out, what we'll get is your, that is the 2 here. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with 117th question, 118th question of the session, and even though which is also an important one, so yes, you have to go ahead as well. 118th question of the sessions here. The question is, I told you, if under root 2 is equals to 1.4142, the value 7 upon 3 plus under root 2 is, this has been the question. Options we have 1.5858, 3.4842, 3.5858 and 4.4142. that we have to talk about it, and for the same case we'll have to go ahead and find out the answer as well. So which is your 7 upon 3 plus under root 2 equals to 7 upon 3 plus under root 2, and we'll multiply with the difference sign 3 minus under root 2 upon 3 minus under root 2, which is equals to 7 3 minus under root 2 upon 9 minus 2. 3 3 the 9, and under root 2 is 2, so that is 9 minus 2. Further it is 3 minus under root 2, which is equals to 3 minus 1.14, that is 1.14, that 1.4142 that we have, and after that we'll subtract it down and we'll get here with 1.5858. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another new question, that is your 119th question of the sessions as well, and which is also an important one here. The question is 3 under root 2 upon under root 6 minus under root 3 minus 4 upon under root 3 upon under root 6 minus under root 2 minus 6 upon under root 8 minus under root 12 equals to the question mark, and this has been asked in your RRB examination paper as well. That is also an important one. The options we have under root 3 minus under root 2, under root 3 plus under root 2, 5 under root 3 and 1. So that we have to talk about it, and that is also an important one here. So for the same sake we will solve it out for this as well, and this is also an important one here. So let's go ahead for the solution for this. For the given expression we have 3 under root 2 upon under root 6 minus under root 3 . So here we go ahead, and that we'll have to talk about it, and that we have. So on the same cases we'll solve it out here, and that is on that is minus 6 minus root 3 here, that we have to talk about it. And let's go ahead further, and on the same basis we will be going ahead multiplied by the different sign which we have here is your minus 3, and on the same cases we'll have to multiply with the plus sign, under root 6 plus under root 3, under root 6 plus under root 3 again, and then after that we will be getting as minus 4 upon under root 3 upon under root 6 minus under root 2 here. And on the same cases that is we have and we'll multiply it by under root 6 minus under root 2, so we'll multiply with the plus sign, that is under root 6 plus under root 2, then again minus 6 upon 2 under root 2 minus under root 3 that we have, and then we have here is 3 under root 2 and under root 6 plus under root 3 upon 6 minus 3 that we have, and on the same cases that is minus 4 under root 3 minus under root 6 plus under root 2 upon 6 minus 2 plus 3 upon under root 3 minus under root 2 multiplied under root 3 plus under root 2 and under root 3 plus under root 2 that we have to multiply it here, and on the same cases here that is under root 2 under root 6 plus under root 3 minus under root 3 under root 6 plus under root 2 plus 3 under root 3 plus under root 2 will get to 12 under root 6 minus under root 18 minus under root 6 plus 3 under root 3 plus 3 under root 2. Further it is written that will written as 2 under root 3, 2 to the 4, and then 4 3 the 12, so minus 3 under root 2 and plus 3 under root 3 plus 3 under root 6 under root 2, that is equal to 5 under root 3 here, that we have as an answer. For the same sake, this is plus 3 under root 3 minus 3 under root 3, this will be cancel it out, and it is 2, it is 3 to 2 plus 3 is 5 under root 3, that will get as an answer here. Now we will be going ahead further, which is the another question we have to talk about it, and that is another new important question, that is 120th question of the sessions as well. The question states that here is your that we have to talk about it. It's your under root 7 plus under root 5 minus upon under root 7 minus under root 5 here. This is equals to, so this has been asked here is your in, that has been the section officer examination paper. This has been asked here, and even though which is so important here. On the same cases, the options for this we have 1 2 6 minus under root 5 35 and plus 6 plus under root 35, that we have to talk about it, and even though which is important as well. So on the same here, so we'll go ahead. Under root 7 plus under root 5 upon under root 7 minus under root 5 equals to under root 7 plus under root 5 upon under root 7 minus under root 5 into under root 7 plus under root 5 under root 7 plus under root 5 equals to under root 7 plus under root 5 square upon, that will get as your under root 7 minus 5. Will remove the root here when we multiply with a different sign here, as I told you beforehand only. That is 7 plus 5 plus 2 under root 35 whole upon 2, which is equals to 12 plus 2 under root 35 upon 2, and that is equals to 6 plus under root 35. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead further, and that we have to talk about it as well, which is your 121th question of the sessions as well, and that is also an important paper, which is if 5 plus 2 under root 3 upon 7 plus 4 under root 3 equals to a plus b under root 3, then this has been the question which is asked in your RRB examination paper, and that we have to talk about it, and even though which is also an important one. The options for this we have here is a equals to minus 11, b equals to minus 6, a equals to minus 11, b equals to 6, a equals to 11, b equals to minus 6, and a equals to 6 and b equals to 11 here. This we have to talk about it, and which is also an important one here. Let's go ahead to find it out for the solution for this as well, and that is a plus b under root 3 equals to 5 plus 2 under root 3 upon 7 plus 4 under root 3 multiplied, it is plus, so we'll multiply it by minus sign. 7 minus 4 under root 3 upon 7 minus 4 under root 3, that is equals to, we will be having 35 minus 20 under root 3 plus 14 under root 3 minus 24 whole upon 7 square minus that we have 4 under root 3 square. So on the same cases we will get 11 minus 6 under root 3 upon, that is 49 minus 48, which is equals to here, that is 11 minus 6 under root 3, that we have as an answer here. So here a equals to 11 and b equals to -6. That will be having as an answer. Now we'll go ahead further, which we'll talk about it. That is the another question here, and which is 122th question of the sessions as well, that we have to even talk about it. So let's go ahead for that. 122th question of the sessions as well. That is also an important one. So on the same cases, all these questions are playing an important role when we are solving it out as well. So on the same case, on the same page, we talk about it. So the question is, if under root 2 is equals to 1.414, the square root of under root 2 minus 1 upon under root 2 plus 1 is nearest to. So this has been asked in your CBI examination paper, and that is also an important paper respect towards competition wise. The options for this we have 0.172, 0.414, 0.586 and 1.414 that we have to talk about it. Let's go ahead. Under root 2 minus 1 upon under root 2 plus 1 equals to under root 2 minus 1 upon under root 2 plus 1 multiplied by different sign under root 2 minus 1 as well, which is equals to under root 2 minus 1 का square, that is under root 2 minus 1 under root 2 plus 1 equals to under root 2 minus 1 equals to 1.414 minus 1 equals to 0.414, that we have as an answer here. Now we will be going ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that is the another new important question is your 123rd question of the session that we have to discuss here. Let's go ahead further. 123rd question of the session that we have to talk about it, and that we have as follows. And on the same cases here, that is 3 plus under root 6 upon 5 under root 3 minus 2 under root 12 minus under root 32 plus under root 15 equals to question mark. This has been asked in your IAF examination paper, and that is also an important paper respect towards competition wise. The options for this we have is 3 under root 6 and none of these that we talk about it, and for that we have a solution for this as well. For the given expression here, 3 plus under root 6 upon 5 under root 3 minus 4 under root 3 minus 4 under root 2 plus 5 under root 2 equals to 3 plus under root 6 upon under root 3 plus under root 2, which is further equals to here that we have to discuss, which is under root, sorry, that we have here is 3 plus under root 6, no, so we will not take it as under root here. So on the same cases we will be having here 3 plus under root 6 upon under root 3 plus under root 2. So this is plus, will take as minus here. So on the same cases to be discussed here, and that is also an important one. So on the behalf of it, we will go ahead and we'll multiply it by under root 3 minus under root 2, under root 3 minus under root 2, and where we'll get 3 under root 3 minus 3 under root 2 plus 3 under root 2 minus 2 under root 3 whole upon 3 minus 2, which is equals to under root 3. That will get as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead with another question that is also an important one, and which is also a very important, we can say that. and that is the 124th question of the sessions as well. So 124th of the sessions as well that we have to go ahead, which is your 2 plus under root 3 upon 2 minus under root 3, then plus 2 minus under root 3 upon 2 plus under root 3, and then plus under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1, simplifies 2. This has been asked in SSC examination paper, and that is also an important paper respect towards competition wise that we have to go ahead. And even though which is important here for the respective question, the options we have 16 minus under root 3, 4 minus under root 3, 2 minus under root 3, and 2 plus under root 3 that we have to talk about it. And even though which is important here, let's find out for the solution for this as well, and that is the question to be as follows. The question is 2 plus under root 3 upon 2 minus under root 3 multiply 2 plus under root 3 will multiply by the different sign, 2 plus under root 3 plus 2 minus under root 3 upon. So here we go ahead, 3 and minus under root 3 here, that is 2 plus under root 3 multiplied by the different sign as I told you. So 2 under root 3 minus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3 here as well. So on the same behalf of it, plus under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1 multiplied under root 3 minus 1 and under root 3 minus 1 here. So for the same case we'll get here 2 plus under root 3 ka square upon 4 minus 3 and plus 2 under root 3 ka square upon 4 minus 3 plus under root 3 minus 1 ka square upon 3 minus 1, where 2 plus under root 3 ka square plus 2 minus under root 3 ka square plus 4 minus 2 under root 3 upon 3. So here we'll get 2, 4 plus 3, which is equals to plus 2 minus under root 3 equals to 16 minus under root 3 here. That we'll get as an answer. Now we'll go ahead with another different question that we have to talk about it, and even though which is important here, that is your 125th question of the sessions as well that we have to deal with it. The question is, if x equals to 7 minus 4 under root 3, then the value of x plus 1 upon x is. This has been the question, has been asked in your SSC examination paper. That is also an important paper respect towards competition wise here. And the options we have 3 under root 3, 8 under root 3, 14 and 14 plus 8 under root 3 here that we have to talk about it. So for that same case we'll go ahead for the solution for this as well, and that is also an important one here. So we'll have, so for that we'll go ahead, x plus 1 upon x is equals to 7 minus 4 under root 3 plus 1 upon 7 minus 4 under root 3 into 7 plus 4 under root 3 upon 7 plus 4 under root 3, and that is equals to 7 minus 4 under root 3 plus 7 plus 4 under root 3 and upon 49 minus 48. we'll get 7 minus 4 under root 3 plus 7 plus 4 under root 3 equals to 14, that we have as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead further, and that we have to talk about it, which is another question here. So here the question we have, and that we have to discuss as well, and that is to be as follows, and which is, we'll go ahead with another new question that we have to talk about it. That is another one is your 126th question of the sessions here. So if x equals to under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 minus 1, and y equals to under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1 that we have. So then you have to value of the x square plus y square you have to find out. This has been asked in your SSC examination paper as well. The options for this we have 10, 13, 14 and 15 here. So we'll find it out for the solution for this as well, and which is even though important here. So we'll go ahead. X equals to under root 3 plus 1 and under root 3 minus 1, which is multiplied by, will multiply by different signs. So under root 3 plus 1, under root 3 plus 1 as well. It will get 2 हो गए, तो it will be under root 3 plus 1 का square upon, ये तो same हो जाएगा, so it will be the 3 minus 1. Then a plus b का square will open it out, will get 3 plus 1 plus 2 under root 3 upon, that is 2. So further it will be your 2 plus under root 3 here, that will get as an answer. And so that next we'll go ahead and we'll find out for the value for y here, that we have to find it out. For the value of y, which we will find it out, is under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1 that we have, and which is your, we'll talk about it, multiply under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 minus 1 here, when it equals to under root 3 minus 1 का square upon under 3 minus 1 equals to 3 plus 1 minus 2 under root 3 upon 2 that we have, and which is equals to 2 minus under root 3 that we have as an answer here. So on the same cases, therefore x square plus y square equals to 2 plus under root 3 का square plus 2 minus under root 3 का square equals to 2. 4 plus 3, it will be equals to 2 into 7, which is equals to 14. That will get as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead further, which we'll talk about it, and that is another question we have to talk about it, which is your 127th question of the sessions as well, and that is also an important one. So if a equals to under root 5 plus 1 upon under root 5 minus 1, and b equals to under root 5 minus 1 upon under root 5 plus 1, then you have to find out the value of a square plus ab plus b square upon a square minus ab plus b square. That is, the options we have 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 3 by 5 and 5 by 3, that we have to talk about it, and that is also an important one here. So for that, we will find out for the value of a, which is a equals to under root 5 plus 1, and that is your under root 5 minus 1 into under root 5 plus 1. This is minus, so we will take as under root 5 plus 1 का here as well, under root 5 plus 1 का square upon 5 minus 1. Here we will get 5 plus 1 plus 2 under root 5 upon 4, and that is equals to 3 plus under root 5 upon 2. That will get here. B equals to under root 5 minus 1 upon under root 5 plus 1 into under root 5 minus 1. We will be having the different sign here as well, equals to under root 5 minus 1 का square upon 5 minus 1 that we have. So on the same cases, we'll open it out. It's of 5 plus 1 minus 2 under root 5 upon 4, which is equals to 3 minus under root 5 upon 2 that we have as an answer. For the same case, a square plus b square equals to 3 plus under root 5 square upon 4 plus 3 minus under root 5 का square upon 4 equals to 3 plus under root 5 का square plus 3 minus under root 5 का square that we have upon 4. So when we'll open it out, we'll get 2 9 plus 5 upon 4, which is equals to 7. That will be the right answer, but we'll also have to find out for AB as well. AB equals to 3 plus under root 5 by 2 multiplied 3 minus under root 5 by 2, which is equals to 9 minus 5 upon 4, and that is equals to 1. Because 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 by 4 is 1 here. That will get as an answer for 1 here as well. So we'll have to find out for the equation for this as well. So we'll go ahead for that as detailed here, that even though we have to discuss here. So for the equation, we have a square plus ab plus b square upon a square minus ab plus b square equals to a square plus b square plus ab upon a square plus b square minus ab, which is equals to 7 plus 1 upon 7 minus 1 equals to 8. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So we'll get 4 upon 3. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So 4 by 3 here, that will be the right answer for this particular question here. Now we'll go ahead further, and that will talk about it, which is another new question. The question states that here, which is your the 128 question of the session that we have to talk about it. The question states that where a man plants 15,376 apples tree in his garden, arranges them so that there are as many rows as there are apples tree in each row. So the number of rows is that we have to find out. The options we have 124, 126, 134 and 144 that we have to talk about it. Let's go ahead for the question first, and then we'll find out for the solution for that as well. And the question is, a man plants 15,376 apple trees in his garden and arranges them so that there are as many rows as there are apples tree in each row. The number of rows is, so the option we have 124, 126, 134 and 144 here that we have to talk about it, and that we'll have to find out as well. So for that same cases, we will be having here is 15376 here 1, it will be 153, then we'll take as 1 plus 1 is 2, take as 2, that is your 44. Then we have your 976. When 2 plus 2 is your 4, so 2 4, then we'll take 4, it will be 976. We'll get 124 here. Number of rows equals to 124 that we have as an answer. Let's go ahead with another new question, that is another important question here, which is 129th question of the sessions as well. The question is, a general wishes to draw up his 36,581 soldiers in the form of the solid square, and after arranging them he found that some of them are left over. How many that are left, that we have to find out. The options for this we have is 65, 81, 100 and none of these. So let's go ahead for that as well. The question, a general wishes to draw up his 36,581 soldiers in the form of a solid square all arranging them in. He found that some of them are left over. How many are left? You have to find out. The options we have 65, 81, 100 and none of these. For that we'll have to find out for the solution for this as well. So let's go ahead, which is your 36581. We pair it out, we'll get 1, we'll get 2. 65, we take it out, 1 plus 1 is 2, then we'll take 9, we get 261. We get here 4, 8, 4 and then 81, we take it out down, it is 3, 8, we didn't take it 1 is 381, so we'll get 100. So 191. So number of men left here, number of men left equals to 100. That we have as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, which is the 130th question of the sessions as well, and that is also an important one here. So here we go ahead with other question, that is 133rd question, 30th question of the session. The question is, a group of students decided to collect as many as pairs from each members of group as the number of the members. If the total number collected amount of rupees 59.29, then the number of numbers in the group is that we have to find out. And the solution for this we have that, as I told you, the options here is your where it is that is your 57, 67, 77 and 87, and for that it is your money collected rupees 59.29 that had been given into 100, that is, and paisa, so that we are converting here that is equals to 59.20 529.29 paisa here. And for the same case, the number of the members here 5929, that is removed, and that under root is just 77. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead further, which is the 131st question of the session, that is the cube root of 0.000216 is that we have to find out, and the solution for this is 0.000216 the power 1 by 3, which is equals to 216 upon 10 to the power 6 and of 1 by 3. So 206 will open it as 6 into 6 into 6, and 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 2, that is your 1 by 3 here. So for that 6 we had taken as common here, and the 10 to the power 2 is so common as here. So 6 upon 100 that we have, and then we'll remove it, and that is 0.006 here. That would be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll talk about the 132th question of the sessions as well. This is cube of 412 upon 125 is equals to the question mark. This we have to find out. 3, 4 upon 12 upon 125 here. So cube 1 this is multiplied and plus that 125 4 plus 12 is your 512 upon 125. Cube of this, that is 8 into 8 into 8. 8 is 64. 64 8 is 512. 5 into 5 into 5 here. So here we'll be ending it up here, and that is we will start discussing about in the next coming class. And first of all, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than quantitative aptitude, if I'm telling about, so yes, we are dealing with many more topics that we had started with the chemistry for the class 12, which is important for the academic as well as for the competition as well. And where we had completed unit 1, the solid state. Unit 2 is your that is the solution, and unit 3 which we had covered up is your that is electrochemistry. The fourth unit which we had covered up there is your chemical kinetics, and the fifth unit we had started with, and that even though we have to discuss about it. First of all, other than that, if I'm going ahead, yes, we are dealing with the reasoning here. That is, reasoning has been divided into two parts, which is your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. In terms of verbal reasoning, there we had completed your that is your general mental ability and the logic reasoning. And in terms of non-verbal reasoning, we are dealing with your that is your series, analogy, classification, and analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, and as well as water image. Then we had done your embedded figure and spotting out the embedded figure as well, that we are dealing with, and hopefully we'll completed that as soon. In terms of talking about, we had completed your sociology and your software engineering, the lastly which we had covered up. And other than that, if I'm talking about, yes, we are dealing with the quantitative aptitude, and here in the quantitative aptitude, we had started with arithmetical ability, where we had completed your which is operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, and that is decimal fraction, simplification. And then after that we had started with square roots and cube roots as well. So yes, of course we'll do it, we'll complete that as well as soon as possible. After that we have to deal with many more topics that we have to cover up here as well, that is your terms of averages, and then we have to do many more topics. And then after that we'll have to start with the data interpretation as well, where we have to discuss the permutation and combination, as well as your profit and loss and averages, percentage. And then we have to do your that is in terms of data interpretation, probability. These were the things that we have to cover up here. So we will be ending it up here. And first of all, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well, and it will be provided each and every video there. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.